Okay guys, welcome to Hella Hellies. We're going to switch the Blade 120S landing gear today. I broke it a little bit ago, never got around to it, but we're going to do it today. It's a relatively easy fix, and we're just going to hop right into it. Right now, pulling off the canopy from the frame so it's easier to work on. Usually suggest this. Every time I try to work around, I have to go backtrack and take it off anyway. Mine looks a little different because I hand painted it. And right there, you will see that I have learned I broke more than one thing, and this is why you need to check over your helicopters thoroughly after your crashes. Pull that out, let that remind me of my failure. Yeah, push that back away, don't touch it. Alright, canopy's good. Alright, let's flip her upside down so we have a better look of what we're dealing with. Alright, super easy. We're gonna get a small Phillips head, usually hobby screwdriver, and we got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not too hard. As you can see, I have a rubber ducky passenger that I will no longer have on board, and it's okay because this helicopter is pretty boring. It's non-collective, like it doesn't do 3D, but it is my first. So we're gonna fix her, make her all brand new again. Mr. Rubber Ducky's panicking because he's about to lose his free ride. This guy's been freeloading for a long time. Pull him off. Yeah, look at that. Look how flimsy that is. That thing needs a freaking Cialis. You don't need that, alright? That should only happen when you're over 50, alright? Get rid of that. Yep, no. Oh, wrong piece. Okay, let's pull out the right part. I broke a lot today. Here we go. We got the landing gear. Now you'll see that it says 130X on the package because they fit the same. They're basically the exact same landing gear, just says a different name. There's a part number too if you want to get it. We're going to rip that off like the priest ripping off the little altar boy shorts. Pull that out the package. Now you see we got a little bag there, and it's not of the fun stuff. That's of extra screws, so we're going to make sure we hold on to those. Alright, we kept all the originals, but having extras is always good, so you want to label those and put those away for later. Alright, we'll grab our landing gear here. Flip her right upside down so we have her right where we want her, if you know what I mean. It's going to be easier to work on. Alright, move all the crap out the way. We don't want mixed parts here. Alright. Okay, there we go. We're going to start setting her in the holes. Alright, and you'll see that little front beak there, right there, that I'm pointing to, that's the front of the helicopter. So that should be pointed to the front. You can also look at the skids and you'll see where it's got a little swoosh in the skid, like it comes up a bit. That's the front. The back's always flat. Alright, so that's on. Now we're going to put the screws in. It's the same thing that we did in the first place, but in reverse. Now we're putting the back in. You'll know you're cross-threading because you'll feel like you're fighting. And if that's the case, pull it out, put it back in straight, and try again. It's really easy. It shouldn't take you too long. I know they're really small screws though, so don't hate yourself if it does take you a minute. That's why we sped this up. Or else this would be an extra like 5-minute video. There we go. Push her in, push her in. Yeah, it's real easy. You could try using an electric screwdriver, but you could damage it. It's plastic. I'd be very careful. I have the electric, but I use the hobby. There you go. We're gonna push that out of the way. Landing gear is back on. Oh, look at that. It's holding steady. She's not rocking. I'm gonna play with the little ears for a minute because, you know, shiny. There we go. Now we're gonna take the canopy and slap her back on. And it's gonna be easy because I'm missing a peg. But that's how you switch the landing gear to the 120S. Very easy, simple to do. And remember, we buy them, we break them, we fix them, we love them. So have fun, guys.